Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thank you for watching this video. Before we get started, I would like to say that we are doing a mobility scooter giveaway every 6 months. All you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel to enter. You can also request a free product catalog by clicking on the button at the top of our website. On every page that says free catalog, just fill out the simple short form and you'll get a catalog in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. With that being said, in today's video, you're going to learn how to identify the make and the model of your mobility scooter. We'll also show you how to locate the serial number. That way, if you need to file a warranty claim or create a help ticket to get service from our customer service department, you can provide them with the necessary information that they need. A lot of the times we can look up your serial number, make and model if you just give us your email or your order number or your name. But if you're not an existing customer and you're looking to get parts, we would need the serial number, the make, and the model to provide you with recommended parts that are compatible with your mobility scooter. So with that being said, I have one of the most popular mobility scooters here in front of me known as a GoGo. There's many different GoGo scooters. The GoGo scooter series is comprised of probably over 24 different GoGo models. We have 4-wheel versions like this one, 3-wheel versions, versions with suspension, without suspension. They're all different, the models, but the series is the GoGo series, and that series is made by Pride Mobility. And if you look at the seat of most of these GoGo scooters, some of the older ones don't have the logo for the manufacturer, which is the make, Pride Mobility. It's right here on the seat. For most of the models that we have in our store here, you can see behind me, they all say Pride Mobility on the back of the seat. So identifying the make is pretty easy. Right there on the seat we have it. Also on the front tiller, there's a little emblem here right on the tiller area. I'm going to just take this price tag off to make room. This is known as the tiller, where you grab onto and control the steering, and there's a logo right there that says Pride Mobility. Well, it just says Pride, but the manufacturer is Pride Mobility. Of course, you could always look at your user manual to see the make, the model, the serial number, but if you don't have it, you do want to look for different logo insignias like this one here on the back seat. There's also another one here on the back of the scooter, a little sticker there that says Pride Mobility, and it has their customer service phone number there. So you can identify the make by looking for these stickers. Now, if you want to find the model on a GoGo scooter, they're usually right on the battery case. This is the battery case down here. It has a convenient handle that you can use to remove it. And I'll go ahead and just remove it and show you up close here. That's the model. So as we discussed, GoGo is the series. The model is the Endurance. Li just means lithium, and the model is the GoGo Endurance. There is a model number, and the model numbers can be found in a different location. We're going to show you where that is now. But if you were able to identify the make and the model being the Pride Mobility GoGo Endurance, that would be enough for us to basically help get you recommended parts. But in some cases, you will need to provide the serial number too. The serial number is a little bit harder to find on these models, but it's not impossible. What you have to do is remove the seat, go ahead and grab from the front and the back and the middle and pull straight up. If you try tilting it in any direction, it won't lift up easily. So make sure you go straight up. Now, we're going to remove the battery box again, and I'm going to show you that there is a sticker on this post, actually on the sleeve for the post. So the sleeve has a sticker on it, and I'm going to turn the scooter towards my cameraman here, and you're going to see on the sticker here, you can't really see it, but it says S54 LXLIT. That's the model number. Now, up here, there's a serial number. And if you just take a picture of this, that's the easiest thing to do. Send it to our team, and we can find compatible parts, file a warranty claim, etc. And that's for all Pride GoGo scooters. So, now that you know how to identify the make, the model, and the serial number on the GoGo scooter, it's time that we look at some other scooters that are popular too. And you're going to notice that it doesn't matter the brand, most of them kind of have the same location for finding the make and the model. I'm going to pull out this scooter. It's a three-wheel mobility scooter known as the Golden Technologies Light Rider. The make is Golden Technologies, the model is the Light Rider. So if you look, just like on the Pride GoGo, right on the back, it says Golden. That's the manufacturer. So the make is Golden. You can also see it on the floorboard. Golden. And that's their little logo insignia, which is also on the back of the seat. It doesn't say Golden on the back of the seat, but it does have the logo. So it is kind of an identifier on the back of the seat, just like the Pride scooters. Now, just like the Pride scooters, if you want to find the serial number information, go underneath, front and the back, pick straight up, and look at there. We have a sticker right near the seat post. The sticker even says model number GL111, serial number, and there's the serial number. So you can take a picture of that and send it to our team, and we'll be able to help you. One other place it's located at is underneath the basket. It's got some information here, barcodes that we may ask you for. These are not the serial numbers, but it will help us in certain cases to identify compatible parts for you. So take pictures, send it to our customer service team when you're creating a help ticket, and that will greatly help us expedite your request for replacement parts or just parts in general that are not part of a warranty claim. So we went over two different makes, Pride Mobility, Golden Technologies. These are some of the most popular mobility scooter brands on the market. Now, we do carry other brands. There are very popular models out there, not just Pride and Golden. And I'm going to show you the most popular automatic folding mobility scooter known as the Transformer scooter. It's made by Enhanced Mobility, and it also has the Solax brand on it, which basically is the same thing. So if you're looking at this type of scooter, you got to look around, and you're going to see on the dash for this particular model, it says Solax. So that's one place that you can find the make. Solax would be the make, also known as Enhanced Mobility. But if you tell us Solax, we'll know it's also made by Enhanced Mobility. Now, there really isn't any other markings on this scooter that are obvious, unfortunately. But then again, there's really not many other scooters like the Transformer. Now I'm going to tip the scooter over because on some scooters, like the Transformer, the serial number is etched into the frame. So if you come down here and you look at the front of the scooter on the frame itself, you're going to have a QR code, serial number, and that's going to allow us to identify the version and the model of your scooter. So we've covered three different areas that you can look for: the tiller, the seat, the frame. So these are all common areas to look on a lot of different mobility scooters, not just the GoGos, but the Revo has it on the tiller there. It says Pride Mobility. You can look at almost every scooter here and you're going to see very similar patterns as far as where the make and the model information is located. Now I'm going to go ahead and take you on over to the back here where we keep our heavy duty scooters. So you want to follow me on over here. Chuck, our cameraman's going to lead the way. Here we have a heavy duty scooter by Pride Mobility known as the Zero Turn 10. Has two motors on it, which allows it to turn very sharply. As you can see, we've got the logo on the front that says Pride. On the bottom here we have the model ZT10, which is Zero Turn 10. And if you were to take this seat off, because this scooter doesn't have a convenient battery case with a handle on it, you actually have to remove the battery panel to access the battery storage compartment. And just like the GoGos, you see the stickers in there with the serial number and the model number information. You may have to take a picture of that. You may possibly have to scoot the batteries over, unbuckle it to kind of expose the sticker a little bit more, but it's all there. So with a little bit of effort, you can get these batteries out of the way, take a picture of the sticker there that has the serial number information, and provide it to us so that we can help expedite your requests, whether it's for parts, warranty claim, etc. So I'm going to go over another scooter with you made by a totally different manufacturer. It's a very popular manufacturer known as Aficum. Aficum makes the most popular and dependable heavy-duty mobility scooters. They're fast, they're great for off-road, and they offer a 2-year in-home service and repair contract free of charge. They're the only manufacturer to do so. So you get 2 years of repairs covered under warranty when you buy any Aficum scooter. We are the #1 dealer in the country for Aficum. And if you are interested in something fast, fun, and super dependable, Aficum is what you want to look at. Now on the Aficum, they make it super easy to find this make, the model, the serial number. It's all right there. Super easy to find. Now I will point out on some other models, not made by Aficum, but by Golden Technologies, they do make a companion scooter, and it has a floor mat like this one. And if you actually lift the floor mat up, the serial number and information is underneath the floor mat on some models. So we don't have a companion with us here, but I will throw that up on the screen. We have had a companion before, and we have some video footage, so I'll throw that on the screen to show you what that's like. All right, so we've gone over several different models, and for the most part, like I said, there's pretty common places to look for when you want to identify the make and the model. We also have a few power wheelchairs here, which I'll take the time to show you just a few, but it's the same concept. Right here on the bottom, it says Easy Go Deluxe. That's the model of this power wheelchair. And if you look at the seat post underneath, I'm going to go ahead and just pick up for a second. What do you see there? A sticker with the serial number. So really, regardless of what type of chair, scooter you may have, we can help you identify the location of the serial number, make, and the model. But if you just know where to look, you'll probably find it. That's made by Merit's Health. On the back of this chair, it says Merit's right in the middle, just like the other scooters have a logo for the make right on the back. This is a power chair made by Pride, known as the Go chair, and wouldn't you know, it says Pride right on the back, right there. Pretty easy to find. Also on the backrest of the chair, it says Pride, just like the scooters. And if I just temporarily lift this seat up, oh, it has the little storage baskets which need to be open to lift this seat, but there's a seat post. If we take out this battery box, what do you see? Sticker with the serial number. So it just goes to show you that it could be a power wheelchair, could be a scooter, make and model is usually located in the same place. With that being said, I just want to thank everybody for joining in today's video. Hopefully now you have a better idea of how to identify the make and the model of your mobility device. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section below. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, and click on the green button that says Free Catalog to claim your very own free catalog. Just fill out the short form and it should get to you in about a week or two max. I just want to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you for watching this video. We couldn't do it without our subscribers. So if you like our content, please go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and subscribe to our channel. You can enable notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever we release new videos. We're constantly making great videos. We have tons of playlists that range from repair videos, unboxing videos, research and development, and much, much more. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our audience, whether it's feedback, comments, or suggestions for a new video topic. We love hearing from you. None of this could be done without our loyal audience. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.